Today I built the 3D comprehensive website for myself like the Digizier Automation Agency for AI agent services. If you need that prompt, I will mention that complete prompt, exact prompt in the description. So let's get started that video. So you see that my website like 3D website which have animations, tools animations and calculators and the AI agent code our ownership, the sound effects, the SaaS bookings. If you need to book, you can just click that and you come to my fall.com page. And anti-gravity codex and Hostinger cloud, the anti-gravity, that complete website I built through the anti-gravity 2.0. So in this video I complete guide you how you can best prompt to deliver to anti-gravity and they get you best outcomes. So the complete website, you can also hear the voice hello. So the voice agent, you can go to the my school community YouTube channel and WhatsApp group. So see that is another key feature, and AI services and YouTube community and AI sandbox data and book content page, and you go to the call and animations buttons and tools, like you see that. So in this video I completed. So first let's summarize that complete in this video how I will deliver to you. So first I will that complete 3D website through anti-gravity 2.0. The model I use Gemini 3.6 flash high model and to deploy on the data, the version controls, and after that I will deploy it at my website in easy panel because that is my server. So you see that is my actual domain. So I not deploy into the Vercel because I need to my domain. You can also deploy to the Vercel, but it's sometime it's paid. If the traffic high, you need to pay them to Vercel. So that case I build deploy my website into easy panel. So go to the anti-gravity. You see that here I complete prompt give him through the chat GPT. So I need a 3D website for like my AI automation services. Here I give my YouTube channel link, my numbers, my all the links. They get that all the data and build my website like as in group. So first I guide him, hey, make a plane. So first you need to anti-gravity to make a plan for how many tokens. So you see that first I tell him, hey, I need a plan. So you see that is like minimum 2000 token plan, but you ask them, hey, I need a 20,000 token prompt. It's more better and accurate for your website, but I will provide to exact prompt. You just need to proceed them and your complete website according your need that building. So implementation plan and the some refixing to that build my website in just 2 minutes, but to rechanging they get my 1 horse, like literally. So to the version control and deployment, like 1 horse they get. So you see that. Also I use the Google AI Pro plan. So if you need that pro plan, you can also come to the my WhatsApp group and message me. So you see that I am using the pro plan. So Google AI Pro. If you need it, you can also come to the my community. And that is the complete exact prompt. That link I will mention in the description. You can paste here. What you need to change is you just need to add here your agency name, your title, your what is your brand logo, what is your call.com, and xyz details. You just need to enter that, and xyz details you can build according your need. But that exact prompt you just need to copy that and paste here to the anti-gravity in just 2 to 3 minutes. They build like that website, really like that website. And after that you just need to push that website into the easy panel. How you can deploy? So let's just go to the easy panel. You see that is my server. So go to the, you just need to create a service and go to the app, and here you can also add the name like a website 3D. You just here get up owner name and repository name and branch name and just path enter that. You just save that, and after that deploy, you can also deploy that website. So you see that that is the DGs here, repository DGs here, branch main and path and Docker file select and Docker file select and save that. That is your deploy, and after that deploy, that your website is be deployed. But under one things remain, that is be domain. What you need, how you can deploy your domain. You just need to go to the edit and paste here your domain, and after that you just copy that URL of your local host EasyPanel. You just copy that and paste here your domain, like for the SSL and DNS verification. So that is very main important. So your domain is be the live in within 24 hours. So again, go to the my dad's video is that. If you like that video, like and comment must, and join my WhatsApp community.